know I don't like to toot my own horn very much. Heck, the name of this channel is literally Average Racing. But I'm in love with you people. Although it's a niche subject, I think that I'm the best rental karting YouTuber. And you're probably asking yourself, Justin, why, if you're the best rental karting YouTuber, do you only have 500 subscribers? Well, listen, both things can be true. I can be the best, and I also can have a little bit on a lower subscriber count. But here's why I'm the best. Because I continue to innovate for you people, okay? First, we got the live commentary in the kart while it's happening. We got commentary, added the rear cam, added the track map at the beginning showing you what's going to happen, and now we have innovated once again. You know what I've done this time? I'm working on it for quite a while now. I have successfully created a live updating leaderboard as the race happens. Where else are you going to find this? Huh? Nowhere. That's right. So this race was a little bonus race after the challenge night video, which was awesome, by the way. Check it out. It was a great time. A lot of ridiculous stuff happened. This time we're just doing the super speedway. At the beginning, I kind of hassled one of our regulars who loves it more than the rest of us, but it is fun. It's a wild race. Super speedway layout is essentially a NASCAR oval, but we add a little leader outside the cone section, so every time someone hits that cone section, they have to take it. It's a very fun race, and you get to see the new leaderboard in action, which I think is really cool. At least I was really excited about it. I don't know. Anyways, if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Do whatever you want. Have a good one.
All right, we're here for a bonus race. We're doing the real super speedway, which is the boring one. I'm just kidding. It's not. I mean, it's not as fun as the roulette wheel, figure eight, traffic circle, whatever you want to call it, but it's still fine. All right. Bump draft, let's go, bud. Get him, Clay. Oh, boy. Oh, no! Oh, that was funny. There was someone right on my inside and the outside at the same time. Oh, jeez, oh, man. Oh, that's funny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, that was good. That feels good. Pick up a few spots. Okay, good. We like that. Oh my God, jeez, oh man. Son of a beast. That was not good. Oh goodness. I hope the other guy's okay. I don't know who that was. I think I know who it was. I hope they're okay. Oh man, I couldn't do much about that one. That was just a sketchy situation all around. Okay, I have somehow come out in the lead. Okay, good. I have somehow come out in the lead again. come out in second. Okay, 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 okay. How about a little checkered flag? How about a checkered flag? Can I get a checkered flag? Let's go! Let's go!